Abductor digiti minimi. Origin: pisiform and tendon of flexor carpi ulnaris. Insertion: base of proximal phalanx of fifth finger, ulnar surface. Action: abduct the fifth finger. Assist in opposition of the fifth finger toward the thumb. Metacarpophalangeal joint. Abductor pollicis brevis. Origin: flexor retinaculum, trapezium, and scaphoid tubercles. Insertion: base of proximal phalanx of thumb. Action: abduct the thumb, carpometacarpal and metacarpophalangeal joints. Assist in opposition of thumb. Abductor pollicis longus. Origin: posterior surface of radius and ulna, interosseous membrane. Insertion: base of first metacarpal. Action: abduct the thumb, carpometacarpal joint. Extend the thumb, carpometacarpal joint. Abduct the wrist, radiocarpal joint. Adductor pollicis. Origin: capitate, second and third metacarpals. Insertion: base of proximal phalanx of thumb. Action: adduct the thumb, carpometacarpal and metacarpophalangeal joints. Assist to flex thumb, metacarpophalangeal joints. Anconeus. Origin: lateral epicondyle of humerus. Insertion: olecranon process, posterior proximal surface of ulna. Action: extend elbow, humero-ulnar joint. Brachialis. Origin: distal 1/2 of anterior surface of humerus. Insertion: tuberosity and coronoid process of ulna. Action: flex the elbow, humero-ulnar joint. Brachioradialis. Origin: proximal 2/3 of the lateral supracondylar ridge. Insertion: styloid process of radius. Action: flex the elbow, humero-ulnar joint. Assist to pronate and supinate the forearm when these movements are resisted. Dorsal interossae. Origin: adjacent sides of all metacarpals. Insertion: base of the proximal phalanx of the second, third, and fourth fingers. Extensor aponeurosis. Action: abduct the second, third, and fourth fingers at the metacarpophalangeal joints. Assist to flex the second, third, and fourth fingers at the metacarpophalangeal joints. Assist to extend the second, third, and fourth fingers at the interphalangeal joints. Extensor carpi radialis brevis. Origin: common extensor tendon from the lateral epicondyle of humerus. Insertion: base of third metacarpal. Action: extend wrist, radiocarpal joint. Abduct wrist, radiocarpal joint. Assist to flex elbow, humero-ulnar joint. Extensor carpi radialis longus. Origin: distal 1/3 of the lateral supracondylar ridge of humerus. Insertion: base of second metacarpal. Action: extend the wrist, radiocarpal joint. Abduct the wrist, radiocarpal joint. Assist to flex elbow, humero-ulnar joint. Extensor carpi ulnaris. Origin: common extensor tendon from the lateral epicondyle of humerus. Insertion: base of fifth metacarpal. Action: extend the wrist, radiocarpal joint. Adduct the wrist, radiocarpal joint. Extensor digitorum. Origin: common extensor tendon from the lateral epicondyle of humerus. Insertion: bases of middle and distal phalanges of second through fifth fingers. Action: Extend the second through fifth fingers, metacarpophalangeal and interphalangeal joints. Assist to extend the wrist, radiocarpal joint. Extensor indicis. Origin, posterior surface of distal shaft of ulna and interosseous membrane. Insertion, tendon of the extensor digitorum at the level of the second metacarpal. Action, extend the second finger, metacarpophalangeal. Adduct the second finger. May assist to extend wrist, radiocarpal. Extensor pollicis brevis. Origin, posterior surface of radius and interosseous membrane. Insertion, base of proximal phalanx of thumb. Action, extend thumb, interphalangeal joint. Action, extend thumb, metacarpophalangeal and carpometacarpal joint. Abduct wrist, radiocarpal joint.